In this quick video, I will show you how to stake Revolt to earn tokens step by step. So the first step is to add Polygon mainnet in your MetaMask wallet. And as you can see, we have here the Polygon mainnet, and we just need to click add and click approve. And let's switch to Polygon mainnet, and we have here the Polygon mainnet. And also, if you haven't added your Revolt token, you can see it here in your import tokens, and you can just type down RVLT and you can see it here. But I have already added Revolt to earn token, so I can click here. And if you don't have a Revolt to earn here, you can just swap it using any of these tokens or available tokens you have. For example, I want to swap Matic to Revolt to earn. Let's select Revolt to earn here. Click here and type the amount of Matic you want. For example, 50 Matic, and click Review Swap. Then you will receive the equivalent amount of Revolt to earn here. And also we have your gas fee here. So make sure that you leave enough Matic in your MetaMask wallet. And the next step is to go to revolt.cultdao.io, and you can see here the Revolt to earn price, the treasury balance, the market cap, the revolutionary rewards, the RVLT burn, and the total value lock. And also you can see here the stake Revolt to earn. Let's just click it here, and you can see here the balance, the URVLT balance, and we have recycle 11 Revolt to earn. Let's just first click approve. The confirmation from MetaMask will pop up here. We can see here the transaction fee of $0.00 and the equivalent amount of Matic. So make sure that you leave enough Matic. So make sure that you have Matic in your MetaMask wallet because you are going to use it for the transactions. But as of now, I don't have enough Matic in my account to pay for transaction fees. So I'm gonna reject this. But once you approve, you can now stake your Revolt earn, and also you can see here the URVLT balance. You just need to, if you want to unstake your Revolt to earn token, you can just type the amount you want to withdraw and click withdraw. A confirmation from MetaMask will pop up here, and you just need to confirm it, and the URVLT balance here will automatically convert to RVLT. And also, if you have any claimable Revolts to earn, you will be able to see it here, and you just need to claim it if you want to claim it, and we're done. If you have any questions about how to stake Revolts to earn, let me know in the comment below.